That could be us. We're at the Louvre Bridge. I don't know what this is called, but it's got the locks on it.
Okay, where? These?
Right over here. Follow me, friend. And then you can also get these bracelets made. You name the price.
You mean these?
You get a matching pair. Name your price.
Name your
He'll
price.
take American dollars.
And he'll say one more.
Yeah, okay, yeah. But there's that tower.
Yeah.
There's a beautiful.
Oh, what is that?
It's a tour right there.
Wait, no, this boat.
Yeah.
Gravel.
You jump into it and then you ride.
It's like the movies. Hop on, hop off.
I don't think you can hop off. Once you get in there, you can't get off.
I think it's different when the river split forks out.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Look at that tree right there too. The Louvre, we think it's massive. It says Pavilion de la la la.
And then Eiffel Tower. Right there.
It's just a blob. Looks like you're.
I need a toothpick.
Yeah. Or maybe farther away.
Oh.
Here, watch. Oh, I can't see.
Don't move. I moved. There it is. It looks so much brighter in the camera versus in real life. Because right now it's kind of dark. And this bridge. And we're trying to pass through there. Well, we should have crossed over there.
Yep.
Oh, should we just cross over there and not here?
No, we don't have to cross there twice. But
oh, but it's already done. How would you feel if you have to bike to work every day in your suit and tie?
it's hard enough just driving. I wouldn't get sweaty while I'm riding unless it's really hot. But then when I get to work, then I'd start sweating. And I'd want to take a shower.
I think I need to stand behind you to film you talking. Yeah.
Oh, I'm done talking.
Oh, you're done talking?
That's it.
What? What do you want to point at?
Do I need to point with my nose?
All of these looks like the university in Harry Potter. Yeah, like this whole building is like the university school.
That's huge.
It is huge. And then they all have like little mini towers. I don't know what arc that is, but it is one.
Yeah. They show that one at the Arc of Triumph tour?
No, I don't know. Oh,
Point at it.
You're too far. You gotta stand. No, you don't need to bend down. Okay, there you go. I mean, I don't think the video will know that's you.
What?
Like, that's what you're doing, pointing with your nose. Yeah. But like this whole thing, it's like a big. Well, because I guess it was a palace, so it like it like goes all the way around,
Right.
kind of. Maybe this is the main front entrance. That's the gate. Like
Yeah.
this is the gate
Front entrance
to come into the place, and this is the surrounding, right? Okay, let's see what's in the pyramid.